Now, what's that puppy's name?
Bam Bam.
And he is the property of who?
Sean O'Donnell and Aaron Ray.
He's the property of no one. He's his own person. It's way better. That's what I use that for rock band a lot. But it's really
Okay.
good boy, alright. Yeah, you get to look at that when you're older and you'll be like, oh, I can't believe
And it'll become increasingly precious. Do you remember when?
9 pounds.
9 pounds of ferocious
Yeah.
killer.
Yeah, that's right.
Killer dog.
That's right.
He's his
He's
own
a dog. They're his
dog.
guardian.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's
Okay,
Who owns who?
and on a scale between 0 and Roscoe, where does he fit?
I'd say
Gross.
like baby monkeys in diapers.
Baby monkeys and diapers. On a scale of 1 to 10, where does he fit?
11.
That dog, Bam Bam?
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you're so pleased.
Roscoe.